In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the grille on your INFINITI G35. Using a pair of clip pliers, remove the clip out of the grille. There should be 4 along the top. Our car only has 1. There's clips all along the inside bottom of the grille. We're going to push on these and then push the grille out. You're going to want to start at one corner of the grille and then work your way back. Take out the 2 clips that sit on top of the bumper on either side of the grille. There's going to be tabs on the back side of the grille. You're going to push the little tab and pull the grille out as you do that. And then release the grille out of the second bumper tab. You may need to use a pair of pliers to squeeze the clip to release it out of the bumper. You just push on the 2 tabs and pull it out. To remove the emblem off the old grille, you're going to flip it over and press on these 2 tabs. We're going to press outward, and that will release the emblem from the front grille. Install the emblem onto the new grille, line it up, and then push it in place, and you'll see the tabs hold on to the back side of the grille. Install the new grille, line all of the tabs up, start at one corner, and push them into place. With all the clips seated, we're going to put our clips back into the top. We had 1 in the bumper, and the only other one this car had was 1 through the grille into the radiator support.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.